Hello, sorry. Hello there, guys and gals. How are you all doing? One lovely day to each every one of you. Welcome to my day 42 of not eating meat like pork, beef, chicken. Guys and gals, 4 days to go and we're gonna reach the 46th day. Congratulations. Sorry, I'm speechless. Congratulations to each every one of us. I have here a chop suey, of course without meat, only shrimps. Come on, be the first one to taste, be the first one to bite. And I also have here our gobong pusit. Tastes so bland, tasteless, because the one who cook put lots of water. Anyway, it's okay. Guys, thank you for watching. I'm some kind of a speechless. Be the first one, of course. Be the first one to taste, be the first one to bite. Open your mouth. Love it, love it. Guys, remember, we still have 4 days, and for those who are not doing it, you can try, and then you will feel the completeness and the self-satisfaction, a little satisfaction, and you will feel blessed. Remember that Jesus died on the cross just to save our souls and just to redeem our souls. Oh my gosh. And to save us from sins, okay? But for now, guys, remember, make some reflections. Today is Holy Tuesday. Um, avoid going anywhere. Do not make some party or do not go to swimming or whatever. Just meditate and keep yourself calm and relax and make some rest, okay? Bye for now, with your family, of course. Bye.